and Stanley's first. Stanley, where are you? This is our first ever trip outside. Stanley, don't go to sleep now. Mum is taking you out for your first ever walk.
Don't go to sleep.
And Stanley. First of all, let's just see how he feels out here. Okay, Stanley? Do you feel comfortable up there, or do you want to come down? Come on. Okay, Stanley? Come down here. Look, where I'm going to take him is just a nice quiet walk around here. He's got to get used to traffic noises. So that's what we're going to try and do today. And I'm going to keep stroking him and loving him, knowing that he's safe with me. He's got my fur hood to cuddle up into. We're just going to go over to the nearby cemetery, a 5-minute walk down here, Stanley, and then you're going to love it. I'm not going to free flight him just yet. Stanley's on the grass for the first time. Wondering what the hell's going on. There he goes. And he's thinking, why can't I just fly? Come on, Stanley. Come on, Stanley. Come on, Stanley. You're loving it. Come on, boy. Come on, Mummy's baby. Come on. Come. Come on. Right. Mummy's got... Oh, look what Mummy's got for you. Oh, wow. Does that taste good? Does that taste good? It's pretty relaxed now, knowing he's safe. It's a good job this is a coat for Stanley, isn't it? For me to take you, because it's got no dribble on it. Right, we'll just walk a little bit further under trees, see how he feels about walking under the trees here. Wow. Wow, Stanley, look at all this. He feels a little bit agitated, but he's doing good. He's doing good, he's taking it all in. Okay. Okay, we're coming out now. There you are. There you are. Did you like it in there? Come on then, let's get you down for a little bit more. On our first outside visit, Stanley's now starting to look around, investigate his surroundings. He's flew off me a few times to have a look to see if anything tastes good, which I don't really want him doing. But he's feeling the leaves and stuff, so it's not too bad. Again, and in a minute you may see him fly off again. The trouble is I'm trying to video on my own, so it's quite difficult. And try and keep him. I'm looking for a bench that we can go and sit on, so I can just have a little talk and stuff with him. Making sure at all times this is around my hand, because I don't want him slipping away. You enjoying it now, Stanley? Look at those birds. Ah, I'm not going to clip his wings because I do actually want him free flying at some point when he's older. There's a bench over there, Stanley. Shall we go and sit on it? And often he does this, where he comes down to give me a cuddle as well, just to feel secure. Oh, Stanley. Now you can hear the cars go past. Not walking, so not so frightened. You can just relax a little bit, can't you, Stanley? Yeah, and see what it is he's wearing that stops him from flying away. Is it nice? Here, my darling. Look what Mommy's got for you. Hopefully, because we've got quite a lot of traffic around where we live, if he can just get used to the traffic more than anything else, he doesn't seem too bad. I'm quite lucky that this is only, well, not even a minute away from my house. I live behind it, so. Say bye-bye for now. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody.
Oh, you're ever so cold. You're ever so cold. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I know. Hey? They let you fly away, did they? Silly sods letting go of your lead, weren't they? Hey? Was they silly? Was they silly letting you go with the lead? Hey, what's the matter? You want to come and live with Nanny? Do you? In there? Oh, okay. Oh, both of them. Oh, okay. There you are. Oh. Safe from work.
He is. Stanley's home. Stanley's home.
Yes, the diamond ring.
Okay, there it is!
Yeah, oh, yes, you got it. 2 points each. That's 2 each. Didn't work. Eh? That what?
Been up in those trees. Huh?
Where? That ain't one. That ain't a snail.
No, I found it!
Yeah, she did. 3-2. Oh, okay. 3-2. God.
Oh, baby.
3-2. Spin it then. So, we're going to get it quick.
That's traumatising, that was, wasn't it?
That's a pair of goggles.
Go tell everyone you're fine, Stanley.
Oh, go on then. Spin it.
Baby's home. Grandad hooked a duck.
Already had it. No, it's Sophie's. We've got to beat it.